Infrared absorption spectroscopy. Chapter 1. Infrared absorption spectroscopy concerns the absorption of radiation in the infrared range and is probably the single most widely used method for investigating the structure of organic substances. The instrument used for recording the infrared spectra is known as infrared spectrometer. Infrared spectrophotometer. The infrared region of electromagnetic spectrum ranges from zero point 0.8 to 200 μm, but most of infrared spectrophotometers have a range of 2.5 μm to 17.2 μm. The infrared region between 0.82 and zero point 0.5 is generally known as near infrared, and that between 15 and 200 is known as far infrared region. Since the organic molecules rarely undergo absorption of radiation in the near and far infrared regions, these are seldom used for spectroscopic purposes. The various absorption bands in an infrared spectrum are referred to either by the wavelength or wave number in centimeter inverse of the radiation absorbed. Band intensity is expressed in terms of absorption or transmittance, the two being related to each other. A equals to log 1 by T. Basic theory of IR spectroscopy molecular vibration. The atoms constituting a molecule are not held rigidly in fixed position. They are continuously rotating and vibrating in a number of ways. To have an idea of molecular vibration, let us compare a bond between two atoms in a molecule to a weightless spring connecting two balls together. Just, just as the spring can be compressed and stretched to or bent, the bonds can be stretched or bent, giving rise to vibration in a molecule. These are two main kinds of molecular vibration. These are stretching vibration, bending vibration. Stretching vibration or bond stretching. In a simple diatomic molecule, AB, the only vibration which can occur is rhythmic compression and extension along the AB bond. This type of periodic back and forth movement of atoms along the covalent bond axis, which can be compared to that of coiled spring, is known as stretching vibration or bond stretching. Figure 1.1. Bond stretching in a diatomic molecule. Type of stretching vibration. In triatomic or higher molecules, the stretching vibration can be two types: symmetric stretching or asymmetric stretching. Symmetrical stretching. It is a stretching vibration in which the moment of the atoms with respect to central atom in the molecule in the same direction. In other words, all the bonds to the central atom are either stretched or compressed simultaneously. Asymmetric stretching. It is the stretching vibration in which one atom moves towards the central atom while other moves away from it. In other words, one bond is being stretched and other being is compressed. Bending vibration or deformations. In triatomic and higher molecules, there can be another type of vibration involving changes of bond angles. Such vibrational moments are referred to as bending vibrations or deformations. Bending vibrations may be defined as periodic changes in bond angles between bond formed by two atoms with a central atom. Types of bending vibration. Bending vibration can be four types: scissoring, rocking. Scissoring. This is an in plane bending vibration in which the two atoms were towards each other. Rocking. This is in plane bending vibration in which two atoms move in the same direction. Wagging. This is an out of plane bending vibration in which the two atoms move simultaneously either above or below the plane with respect to central metal atom. Twisting. This is an out of plane bending vibration in which one atoms move above the plane while the other moves down the plane with respect to central atom. Scissoring and rocking represent in plane bending, while wagging and twisting represent out of plane bending. The different types of vibration in a molecule are very important for structure determination by infrared method. Principle of IR spectroscopy. We know that atoms constituting a molecule are not held rigidly in fixed position. They are continuously rotating and vibrating in a number of ways. The various modes of vibration possible in a molecule depend primarily on the nature of the bonds themselves and to some extent on the nature of entire molecule. Absorption is absorption of infrared radiation by a bond increases and the amplitude of vibration, and also bringing change in rotational energy level. However, in the infrared range usually studied, the absorbed range brings about predominant changes in the vibrational energy level. It is obvious that a given bond or a part of molecule can absorb only that wavelength of infrared radiation which will provide the photon of that particular amount of energy which is required to raise the vibrational energy level to a premeditated value. As the infrared radiation of a specific wavelength is absorbed, an absorption signal is produced. Thus, infrared spectroscopy is based upon the absorption of infrared radiation by the molecules in accordance with the quantization of their vibrational energy levels. It should be noted, however, that all the bonds in a molecule are not capable of absorbing infrared energy as discussed in section 1.5. The record of the amount of infrared radiation of different wavelengths absorbed to range the vibrational energy level constitute the infrared spectrum of the molecule. Figure 1.4 shows some of the stretching and bending vibration possible for an alcohol group and the characteristics wavelength absorption due to the vibrations. A wavelength range is given for each of these vibrations because the actual value will also be determined by the nature of the rest of the molecule. Unit in IR spectroscopy. The position of absorption of infrared radiation in IR spectroscopy is generally expressed in terms of wavelength or in terms of wave number. However, the wave number is usually treated as absorption band frequency. The wave number corresponding to wavelength of the infrared range usually studied are from 4000 centimeter inverse to 667 centimeter inverse. Calculation of vibrational frequency Hooke's law. The molecules of organic compound usually contains carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen bonds and also some other bonds. Therefore, the analysis of various modes of vibration for a molecule is very difficult because all the atoms present in the molecule contribute to the vibrational mode. However, it is still possible to calculate approximately where a particular vibrational mode will appear in the infrared spectrum by considering each bond present in the molecule one at a time and ignoring the other bonds. Let us, for instance, consider the stretching vibration of two bonded atoms. The stretching vibration can be compared to the oscillations of two balls connected by a spring, where the balls represent the atoms and the spring represent the bonds. As such, the value of stretching vibration frequency of the bond can be calculated fairly accurately by the application of Hooke's law, which may be represented as V equals to 1 by 2 pi root k by mu, where k is called the force constant, which is related to the strength of the bond. Mu is stated the reduced mass of the diatomic system. It is calculated from the expression mu equals to m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2, where m1 and m2 are the actual masses of two atoms in grams. Since v bar equals to v by c, where c is the velocity of light, Hooke's law may be also expressed as v bar equals to 1 by 2 pi c under the root k divided by mu. Factors which determine the vibrational frequency. The simple analogy between two bonded atoms and a simple oscillator help us in knowing the frequency of various absorption bands in the infrared spectrum from the nature of atoms and strength of bonds between them as illustrated below. First, the smaller the mass of bonded atom, the smaller is the reduced mass and therefore higher is the vibrational frequency. In other words, vibrational frequency is inversely proportional to reduced mass. But covalent compounds of halogen or most metals show infrared absorption of very low frequency, which are too low to be recorded on a routine spectrophotometer. Second is the force constant. K is a measure of the strength of the bond. Therefore, its value increases with the increase in bond order. It is taken approximately 5 into 10 raised to power 5 dyne centimeter inverse for a single bond between any two atoms. For double and triple bonds, the value of 10 into 10 raised to 5 and 15 into 10 raised to 5 dyne centimeter inverse respectively. With the increase in the value of k corresponding to increase in bond state, vibrational frequency also increases. In other words, vibrational frequency is directly proportional to bond strength. It must be noted, however, that the intensity of absorption depends mainly on the polarity of bond. Number of fundamental vibrations. It has been stated earlier that absorption of infrared radiation having energy equal to the difference between two vibrational energy levels will lead to vibrational transition in the transition from ground state to the first excited state. Light is absorbed strongly and as a result intense bands called fundamental absorption bands are produced. The number of fundamental absorption band exhibited by molecule is related to the fundamental waves of vibrating or vibrational mode available to a molecule in general. Number of fundamental absorption bands equals to number of fundamental vibrational modes. Since a diatomic molecule has only one fundamental vibration mode, it gives rise to one fundamental absorption band. However, polyatomic molecules can have more than one kind of vibrational moment. They exhibit more than one fundamental absorption band as given below. First is non-linear polyatomic molecule. It has been found that a non-linear polyatomic molecule can also have 3 n minus 6 modes of fundamental vibration where n is the number of atoms present in the molecule. For example, water n is 3 has 3 vibrational modes 3 into 3 minus 6 each of which can give an absorption band. Linear polyatomic molecule. A linear polyatomic molecule have n atoms can have 3 n minus 5 fundamental vibrations. For example, carbon dioxide n is 3 has 4 vibrational modes 3 into 3 minus 5. In case of large molecule, the number of fundamental vibration goes on increasing very rapidly with the increase in the value of n, but it has been observed that the number of fundamental bands actually obtained is usually less than expected from theoretical number of fundamental vibration. First, this is due to the following reason. First, some of the fundamental vibration may be very weak and therefore may not be recorded. Some of the fundamental vibration may be very close and result overlapping of bands may take place. Some of fundamental vibration may involve energy changes which fall outside of usual IR range. It is also interesting to note that sometimes additional bands such as combination band difference bands and overtones may also be exhibited. Selection rule. Most of the molecule possess dipole moment due to presence of polar bonds linking the constituent atom. When a polar bond undergoes stretching, vibration along the internuclear axis, a change in electron distribution of the band takes place. As a result, dipole moment also undergoes a change. In other words, a vibration produced fluctuating dipole moment interaction between the oscillating dipole moment and the infrared radiation leads to the absorption of energy from the radiation so that the energy of vibration increases. This interaction and absorption of energy can occur only if the dipole moment at one extreme of the vibration is different from the dipole moment at the other extreme of the vibration in a molecule. It is evident from the above discussion that a bond vibration can lead to the absorption of infrared radiation only if it is accompanied by a change of dipole moment. As a result of comprehensive studies in the field of spectroscopy, certain generalizations have been made which determine whether a vibration would be effective for a particular type of spectrum or not. These are known as selection rules. For infrared spectrum, the rule is that only those vibrations are effective in causing absorption which are not centrosymmetric. For example, symmetric stretching vibration of CO2 are centrosymmetric and are not effective in infrared spectroscopy, while the asymmetric stretching vibration are not centrosymmetric and give rise to absorption in infrared region. Since most of the functional group in organic chemistry such as C double bond OOH and NH undergo vibration which are not centrosymmetric, they respond very well to infrared spectroscopy. Position and intensity of band, position of absorption bands. Depending upon the type of bonds present in a molecule, various wavelengths are found to be absorbed in the infrared spectrum of the molecule, giving rise to absorption bands. The position of absorption band depend upon the nature of bond or group. Absorption band characteristics of a particular bond or group indicates the presence of that bond or a group in the molecule. For instance, in the spectrum recorded in figure 2.6, the absorption band at 3 μm clearly establishes the presence of hydroxyl group in the molecule. Similarly, the absence of characteristics absorption band of a band or a group guarantees the absence of that particular bond or group. It may be noted, however, that the actual absorption pattern of a bond or group may be very slightly from one type of molecule to another. This is because the exact position of absorption band is also determined to very small extent by the nature of rest of the molecule. Infrared spectrum can be usually divided into two regions for the purpose of its interpretation. Functional group region. In general, absorption bands from 2.5 to 8 μm are associated with the changes in the vibrational state of the various band. Accordingly, this region in characteristics of the type of band present and may be termed as functional group region of the infrared spectrum. Fingerprint region. Absorption band in the region 8 μm are generally associated with complex vibrational and rotational energy changes of the molecule as a whole. This region is very useful for establishing whether two compounds are identical or different from each other. It is therefore referred to as the fingerprint region. Therefore, there are so many absorption bands in the fingerprint region that no two compounds, howsoever closely related, can have identical IR spectrum in all details, including intensity. On the other hand, if two given samples have exactly the same infrared spectrum, it is conclusive proof of the identity of two samples. Intensity of absorption bands. Different absorption bands in the infrared spectrum have different intensity. The intensity of absorption bands is mainly dependent on the magnitude of change in the dipole moment. The more the polar character of a band, the greater the change in dipole moment and greater the intensity of absorption. For example, a carbonyl group has much higher dipole moment than carbon carbon double bond, and therefore it give rise to stretching absorption band of much higher intensity than carbon carbon stretching absorption band. The intensity of absorption band also increases to a small extent with the increase in the concentration of molecule in the sample and the number of absorbing groups in a molecule. Factors influencing vibrational frequency. We have seen that probable frequency of a band in its IR spectrum cannot be calculated with the help of Hooke's law. However, it has been found that the calculated value for a band is only in tolerable arrangement with the experimental value but never equal to it. This is because the vibration of each group is influenced by the structure of the rest of the molecule on its immediate neighborhood. The important factors responsible for the vibrational shift are as follow. Electronic effect. When the substituent in the neighborhood of a particular group are changed, it brings about changes in the absorption frequency of that group due to electronic effects such as inductive effect and resonance effect. Due to this effect, the force constant or bond strength changes, which causes the absorption frequency shift from its normal value as illustrated below. Inductive effect. The presence of alkyl group in the vicinity of a particular group causes plus I effect. As a result, the bond length of that group tends to increase or the bond strength decreases. Consequently, the force constant is lowered and the frequency or wave number of absorption decreases. This is clear from the following example showing the absorption wave numbers of carbonyl group in different compounds. 1750 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स 1745 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स 1715 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स. It is obvious that greater the plus I effect, smaller the wave number. If one on the other hand, a group having minus I effect is present in the neighborhood of a particular group, it increases the value of force constant. As a result, absorption shifts to higher wave number as shown below in terms of absorption wave number of carbonyl group in acetone, chloroacetone and dichloroacetone. 1715 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स 1725 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स 1740 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स. It is apparent that greater the minus I effect, higher the wave number. Resonance effect. Resonance effect has significant influence on the absorption frequencies in the infrared spectra of many compounds. For instance, conjugation lowers the absorption frequency or wave number of ethylene bond in conjugated dienes and of the carbonyl group in the conjugation with ethylene bond or aromatic ring. This is because conjugation tends to increase the bond length of the group so that its bond strength decreases. This is turn lowers the force content of the bond and the absorption frequency decreases. This is evident from the absorption frequency of C double bond O stretching in the following compounds. एसीटोन 1715 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स, मिथाइल विनाइल कीटोन 1690 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स, एसिटोफिनोन 1693 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स. It may be noted that in case of compounds when the both the resonance effect and the inductive effect operate but in opposite directions, the resonance effect may dominate over the inductive effect or the reverse may be true. For example, the in acetophenone conjugation tends to lower the absorption frequency of C double bond O stretching while minus I effect due to C6H5 group tends to increase the value, but resonance effect dominate the minus I effect so that there is decrease in absorption frequency. Second is hydrogen bonding. The infrared spectra of organic compounds such as alcohol, phenol, carboxylic acid, and amines, which exhibit hydrogen bonding, are strongly influenced by the presence of hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonding results in the weakening of the bonds involved so that the force constant decreases and absorption shifts towards lower frequency or wave number. Some important generalizations about the role of hydrogen bonding in infrared spectroscopy are as follows. The stronger the hydrogen bonding and the greater the downward shift in absorption frequency. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding gives rise to broader bands, while intramolecular hydrogen bonding gives rise to sharp and well defined bands. The intensity of absorption band in intermolecular hydrogen bonding is concentration dependent and decreases with dilution. In contrast, the concentration has no effect on the intensity in case of intramolecular hydrogen bonding because it takes place within the same molecule. The downward shift is more pronounced in case of intermolecular hydrogen bonding than in intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Let us illustrate the above generalization with some examples. First is alcohol and phenols. In case of both alcohol and phenols, the free OH groups give rise to the strong absorption band in the region 3650 to 3600 centimeter inverse. On the other hand, hydrogen bonding OH group gives broad absorption band in the region 3400 to 3200 centimeter inverse. Second is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids generally exist as dimers having some intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Due to the large strength of hydrogen bonds, there is a large decrease in absorption frequency of C double bond O and OH stretching frequency in the dimer. Thus, carboxylic acid dimers exhibit a very broad band due to OH stretching at 3000 to 2500 centimeter inverse as compared to all about 3600 centimeter inverse for free OH group. Similarly, there is downward shift for C double bond O stretching in acids from about 1750 centimeter inverse to about 1700 centimeter inverse. Third is amines. Due to relatively weaker hydrogen bonding in amines, the downward shift in absorption frequency of NH bonds is only from about 50 centimeter inverse in free form to about 30 centimeter in a hydrogen bonded form. This is much lesser in case of OH bond in alcohol and carboxylic acid. Third is vibrational coupling. It has been observed that in some groups containing two or more similar atoms bonded to central atom, the absorption frequency of a band is different from that of isolated bond of same type. This is due to mechanical interaction between the stretching vibration of the bond known as vibrational coupling. For example, an isolated CH bond has only one stretching frequency, but a CH2 group which has two CH bonds involving common carbon atom shows two absorption frequency, each of which occurs at different value as compared to isolated CH bond. This is because the stretching vibration of two CH bonds in CH2 interact with each other in two different ways, asymmetric stretching and symmetric stretching, to give rise to coupled vibration. Due to asymmetric stretching, the absorption takes place at higher wave number, while symmetric stretching shifts the absorption to lower wave number than in isolated bond. Similarly, a CH3 group, NH2 group, NO2 group, and carbogylate ion CO negative shows coupled vibration due to asymmetric and symmetric stretching. instrumentation mechanics of recording the IR spectra. In an infrared spectrophotometer, the sample of substance under investigation is placed in a beam of infrared radiation. The relative intensity of transmitted and therefore absorbed radiation is automatically measured and plotted on a graph showing intensity of transmission or absorption as a function of wavelength or frequency of infrared radiation. A simplified diagram of commonly used infrared spectrometer is shown in figure 1.5. It consists of the following parts. First, source, source of infrared radiation. A common source of infrared radiation is the Nernst Glover, which consists of a mixture of zirconium oxide, deuterium oxide, and erbium oxide heated the electrically to about 1775 Kelvin. Infrared radiation can also be produced by heating a rod of silicon carbide. The beam of infrared radiation is split into two beams. One beam passes through the sample cell, while the other passes through the reference cell, which contains only the solvent. The two beams are alternately allowed to enter the monochromator by means of rotating mirror. Sample containers. The sample under examination may be employed in the gaseous, liquid, solid, or solution form. However, solids scatter the radiation too much if placed in the path of light directly. As such, they are either dissolved in an organic solvent or ground with nuzole to form a mull or converted into a pellet with a potassium bromide. The sample containers and the optical parts of the spectrometer are made of rock salt or certain other alkali metal halides such as CSI, since glass is opaque to infrared radiations. Third is monochromator. By means of prisms of or diffraction gratings, the monochromator allows radiations of only one frequency to enter the detector at a time. The frequency of radiation gets automatically varied. Detector. The detector scans the range of infrared frequency received from the monochromator and transfers the energy of the radiation received into an electrical signal. This signal is proportional to the difference in the intensity of radiation in the sample and the reference beams recorder. The detector signal is automatically recorded on a chart paper showing intensity of transmission as a function of wavelength of frequency of infrared radiation. In actual practice, it is transmitted light from 0 to 100%, which is plotted in the infrared spectrum. For recording the infrared spectrum, a very small amount of sample is needed, but the sample used must be absolutely dry because water gives strong absorption near 2.7 μm and near 6.15 macromu. These absorption may overlap absorption due to a sample being analyzed. More sophisticated and sensitive spectrometers are now available and are gradually replacing the instruments used earlier. One such spectrometer is Fourier transform infrared spectrometer, which has a much better sensitivity and takes only 1 2 seconds for recording the spectrum. The infrared spectrum of ethanol is shown in figure 1.6. It depicts, it depicts clearly the absorption band which result from the stretching and bending vibration of carbon hydrogen oxygen hydrogen and carbon oxygen bond. It may be seen that infrared spectrum the peaks are upside down. This is due to the operational technique used in infrared spectrophotometer. Characteristics absorption regions of various bonds. The characteristics infrared absorption regions of various types of bond are functional group are collected in the form of tables are called correlation tables. Table 1.1 is the correlations of the data on absorption patterns of some important bonds and functional groups. The letters S, M, W, and V denote whether the intensity of absorption is strong, moderate, weak, variable. It should be remembered, however, the table gives the only an approximate position of absorption bands, but as already stated, the exact position of the absorption band of a particular bond depends upon its actual molecular environment. spectral features of some classes of compounds. Having discussed the fundamental aspects of infrared spectroscopy in the previous sections, we now take up the spectral features of some classes of compounds, hydrocarbons, alkanes. Infrared spectra of alkanes are generally quite simple and not very informative because alkanes do not contain any functional groups. The most common peaks exhibited by alkanes are given below. CH3, CH2, and CH group present in alkanes give rise to CH stretching absorption bands in the region 2960 to 1850 centimeter inverse. CH3 and CH2 also exhibit bending or deformation bands in the region 1470 to 1430 centimeter. Carbon-carbon bonds are less characteristics and they are responsible for weak bands in the region 1300 to 800 centimeter inverse. The main features of the spectra of alkanes are summed up in table 1.2. Second is alkenes. Infrared spectra of alkenes show many characteristics absorption which can be very useful in the structure determination. The most prominent peak is the vinylic stretching at slightly greater than 3000 centimeter inverse. The actual position depending upon the extent of substitution in alkene. For CH stretching, the value is 3095 to 3075. For CH out of plane bending, value is 995 to 985. Carbon carbon stretching 1680 1620. Alkynes for CH stretching or CH bending 3300. For carbon triple bond carbon stretching 2140 to 2100. Cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes exhibit mainly CH stretching absorption bands. The region of absorption moves to higher value with the increase in angle strain. For example, CH stretching for cyclopropane is at 3050 centimeter inverse, while that for cyclohexane is at 2990 centimeter inverse. Fifth is aromatic hydrocarbons. These compounds exhibit CH stretching absorption at 3050 to 3000 centimeter inverse and carbon carbon stretching absorption at 1600 to 1450 centimeter inverse. There are four prominent carbon carbon stretching bands at 1600 centimeter inverse, 1580 centimeter inverse, 1500 centimeter inverse, 1450 centimeter inverse. Absence of these bands means that compound is not aromatic. There are also a number of CH bending bands at 900 to 700 centimeter inverse. The actual number and position of these bands depends upon the extent and position of substitution of the aromatic ring. Aromatic hydrocarbons. Hydroxy compounds. First is alcohols. The OH functional group of alcohols give a characteristics OH stretching absorption band in the infrared spectrum, but as we might accept, this absorption is significantly influenced by hydrogen bonding. If there is no hydrogen bonding, which is possible if a dilute influence a solution of alcohol in a non-polar solvent is used, an alcohol gives a sharp variable band at 3640 to 3610 centimeter inverse. In an associated state involving intermolecular hydrogen bonding, a strong broad band appears 3400 to 3200 centimeter inverse. In case of intramolecular hydrogen bonding, the OH stretching band appears at 3570 to 3450 centimeter inverse and its variable is of variable intensity. In addition, alcohols also exhibit a strong and broad band in the range 1200 to 1000 centimeter inverse due to carbon oxygen stretching. The exact location of the band depends upon whether the alcohol is primary, secondary, or tertiary. Therefore, it can be used to determine the class of alcohol. The complete spectrum of alcohol, of course, exhibits other absorption bands as well due to the presence of other structural units such as carbon carbon and carbon hydrogen bonds. This is quite evident from the higher spectrum of ethyl alcohol shown in figure 1.6. Phenols. As in case of alcohols, phenol exhibits a strong band due to OH stretching in the range 3600 to 3200 centimeter inverse. However, the carbon oxygen stretching band in phenols appear in a higher region as compared with alcohols. Infrared spectrum of ferrocrisol is shown in figure 1.7. Ethers. The infrared spectra of ethers are characterized by strong absorption band in the region 1300 to 1000 centimeter inverse due to CH stretching vibration. Alkyl ethers show a single absorption in the region 1150 to 1060 centimeter inverse. Aryl and vinyl ether exhibit a strong band in the region 1275 to 1200 centimeter inverse and a weaker band in the region 1200 to 1075 centimeter inverse. The carbon oxygen stretching absorption bands of ether are similar to those of alcohol, carboxylic acid, and esters. However, ethers can be distinguished from alcohols by the absence of OH stretching at 3600 to 3200 centimeter inverse. Similarly, ethers can be distinguished from carboxylic acids and esters by the absence of carbon oxygen stretching absorption at 1770 1780 centimeter inverse. Aldehyde and ketones. The infrared spectra of aldehyde and ketone are extremely useful in detecting the presence of these compounds. The carbonyl group in these classes of compounds showing a strong carbon oxygen stretching band around 1700 centimeter inverse. The actual position of the band depending upon the nature of group attached to carbonyl group. First is aldehyde. The position of carbon oxygen stretching absorption band in aldehyde varies slightly according as the aldehyde is a saturated aliphatic aldehyde or aromatic aldehyde or alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Further, the presence of electron releasing groups plus I effect shift the absorption to lower value while the electron attracting group minus I effect shift the absorption to higher value. In addition to carbon oxygen stretching bands, aldehydes show characteristic CH stretching bands near 2820 centimeter inverse and 2720 centimeter inverse. Generally, the band near 2720 centimeter inverse is seen and it very useful in distinguishing aldehyde and ketones. Next is ketones. The carbon oxygen stretching band in ketones appears at lower frequency or wave number as compared to aldehyde due to the large plus I effect operating in ketones. The carbon oxygen stretching absorption takes place is still lower value for aromatic ketones and alpha beta unsaturated ketones. In case of cycloalkanones, the position of the carbon oxygen stretching band depends upon the size of ring. As the size of the ring decreases, the absorption shifts to higher value due to increase in angle of strain. It must be emphasized that carbon oxygen stretching band is also given by carboxylic acid and their derivatives. However, these compounds also show certain other bands which help to distinguish them from aldehydes and ketones. For example, carboxylic acids also show a broad OH band in the region 3000 to 2500 centimeter inverse. In addition to the carbonyl band, carboxylic acids, the infrared absorption spectra of carboxylic acid exhibit a number of absorption bands which are very helpful in the detection of carbon C double bond O and OH functional group. There is very broad and intense band in 3000 to 2500 centimeter inverse. The range due to OH stretching, this is clearly indicative of stronger hydrogen bonding than in alcohol, where the OH stretching band is in the region 3600 to 3200 centimeter inverse. Another strong band appears around 1700 centimeter inverse for aromatic acids and 1700 centimeter inverse due to carbon oxygen stretching. In addition, carboxylic acids also show a C double bond O, C single bond O stretching band at about 1250 centimeter inverse and a bending band for OH near 1400 centimeter inverse and 920 centimeter inverse broad. Carboxylic acid derivatives. As expected, the infrared spectra of acid derivatives are characterized by the presence of strong C double bond or stretching bands, the exact frequency of the band depending upon the nature of the compound. Thus, acid chlorides show a strong band at 1815 to 1785 centimeter inverse, while acid anhydride exhibits two strong bands at 1840 to 18 centimeter inverse and 1780 to 1740 centimeter inverse. However, in conjugated acid chlorides and anhydrides, these band occur at 15-20 centimeter inverse lower frequencies. Amide show C double bond of stretching band at 1690 to 1650 centimeter inverse. Saturated aliphatic esters gives the C double bond of band around 1740 centimeter inverse to alpha beta unsaturated esters and aryl esters exhibits this band at 1730 to 1715 centimeter inverse while vinylic esters and phenyl esters shows this band around 1770 centimeter inverse. This serves to distinguish them from ketones. Acid chloride show C carbon chlorine stretching bands at 800 to 650 centimeter inverse range. Amide show NH stretching bands at 3500 to 3100 centimeter inverse and also NH bending bands around 1600 centimeter inverse. Unlike carboxylic acid, acid derivatives do not give any broad or stretching bands. The main features of the spectra of acid derivative are summed up in table 1.10. Amines. The infrared spectra of amines show characteristics absorption band due to NH stretching, NH bending, and CN stretching. The number and position of bands depending upon the class of which the amine belongs. Primary and secondary amines exhibit moderately weak absorption at 3500 to 3200 centimeter inverse due to NH stretching vibration. However, primary amines have two such bands in the region while secondary amines show only one band. Tertiary amines do not have any NH bands in their molecules and therefore they do not exhibit such bands. Hydrogen bonding tends to shift the NH bands to lower frequency, but the shift is not as much as in case of hydroxy compounds. This is because the hydrogen bonding in amines is weaker than that in hydroxy compounds. Primary amines exhibit moderately strong NH bending bands at 1650 to 1560 centimeter inverse and 900 to 650 centimeter inverse, while secondary amines show weak bands of this type around 1600 to 1500 centimeter inverse. Thus, carbon nitrogen stretching bands of aliphatic amines appear in the region 1230 to 1030 centimeter inverse. The intensity of absorption being weak. On the other hand, aromatic amines exhibit two strong bands at 1360 to 1180 centimeter inverse. Due to CN stretching, these bands may be used to distinguish between aliphatic and aromatic amines. The salts of amines such as hydrochlorides have a broad band in the 3000 to 2200 centimeter inverse region, which is a typical of ammonium ion. Nitriles. The infrared spectra of nitriles are characterized by the presence of carbon triple bond and stretching absorption band at biso to biso centimeter inverse, biso b centimeter inverse of variable intensity. Conjugation with double bond or aromatic ring shifts the absorption to lower frequency. Nitro compounds. The infrared spectra of nitro compounds show two strong bands at about 1560 centimeter inverse and 1350 centimeter inverse due to symmetrical and asymmetrical stretching of N double bond O bonds. Primary nitro compounds absorbs at higher frequency as compared to secondary, while tertiary compounds absorbs at even lower frequency. Conjugation of nitro with an aromatic ring moves these bands to lower frequency. For example, nitrobenzene shows absorption band at 1525 centimeter inverse and 1350 centimeter inverse. Interpretation of IR spectrum. Having studied the characteristics absorption positions of various functional groups, we have below a few examples, few tips for remembering the specific absorption regions and interpreting the infrared spectra, remembering the specific absorption regions. For the purpose, the infrared range, infrared range from charger to 700 centimeter inverse may be broadly treated as consisting of four parts. First, the region from charger to 2500 centimeter inverse. Second, the region from 2500 to 2000 centimeter inverse. Third, the region from 2000 to 1500 centimeter inverse. The region below 1500 centimeter inverse. Interpreting the infrared spectrum. The following points should prove very helpful in the interpretation of infrared spectrum. First, always chart the high frequency end of the spectrum, the absorption bands, due to most of the stretching vibration appear in the region above 15 centimeter inverse. The region below 15 centimeter inverse is used only for the confirmation of the identity of the compound. It is neither necessary nor possible to interpret each and every absorption band. Most of the information is obtained from a relatively few bands. The negative evidence is always more reliable. What is the statement means is that the absorption of a characteristic absorption band of a band or a group is sure guarantee of the absence of that particular band or group. For example, if there is no absorption band in the region, the carbonyl group must be the absent in the compound. Overtones and coupling peaks. Before concluding the discussion, it may be pointed out that the actual appearance of IR spectrum becomes rather complicated due to appearance of certain absorption band in addition to the bands due to fundamental vibration modes of various bonds. Such additional bands are called overtones and coupling peaks, but these additional bands are much less intense than fundamental bands. Overtones, coupling peaks, Fermi resonance, overtones. These are high frequency bands which may occur at or near integral multiples of the fundamental band frequency. The overtone which appears at double of the frequency of the fundamental band is called first overtone, and which appears at three times is known as second overtone, and so on. For example, in the spectra of carbonyl compound, such overtones are present in the range 32 or 35 centimeter inverse, which is two times the characteristic absorption frequency of carbon double bond oxygen stretching vibration. Coupling peaks. These are additional bands which result in the form of combination of two fundamental vibration frequency by their addition or subtraction. For two fundamental frequency A and B, addition bands can appear at A plus B centimeter inverse, while difference bands can appear at A minus B centimeter inverse. But only certain combination of coupling vibration are allowed by consideration of quantum mechanics. Moreover, intensity of these bands is very low as compared to fundamental bands. Fermi resonance. Usually, the overtones and combination bands are much less intense than the fundamental bands. But if the energy of fundamental vibration is quite close to that of an overtone or combination band, energy is transferred from the fundamental vibration to the additional vibration. The increases the intensity of the overtone or combination band. This mechanical coupling between fundamental band and additional band is known as Fermi resonance. This is quite often observed in the IR spectra of carbonyl compounds, IR spectra of some simple molecules. As pretty as practical illustration of the interpretation of IR spectra, let us now identify the significant absorption bands in the spectra of some simple molecules. IR spectrum for acetic acid, CH3C double bond OH. The important band in the above spectrum are as follows: 3030 centimeter inverse, a broad band of hydrogen bonded OH stretching of carboxylic acid, 1710 centimeter inverse C double bond O stretching of a saturated chain carboxylic acid, 1220 centimeter inverse C carbon oxygen stretching of carboxylic acid. Second is IR spectrum of benzaldehyde. Important bands in the spectrum may be identified as follows: 3080 centimeter inverse C stretching of an aromatic ring, 1860 centimeter inverse and 2775 centimeter inverse C stretching of an aldehyde, 1700 centimeter inverse carbon double bond oxygen stretching of an aromatic aldehyde, 1795 centimeter carbon stretching of an aromatic ring, 745 centimeter and 685 centimeter inverse bands characteristics of aromatic monosubstitution CH deforming. Applications of infrared spectroscopy. The infrared spectrum is a highly characteristic property of a substance, and the examination of the infrared spectrum can aid chemical investigation in many ways. The important applications of infrared spectroscopy are as follows: identification of substances. Infrared spectroscopy is very often used to establish whether a given sample of an organic substance is identical with another or not. Due to the large number of compounds will produce identical spectra in a particularly zero. This means that if two samples afford identical spectra under similar condition of measurement, they must be samples of the same substance. However, the condition of recording the spectra, such as physical state of the sample, solvents used, and concentration of solution, must be same because a substance may produce appreciably different spectra under different sets of conditions. Second is determination of functional group and molecular structure. Third is studying the progress of reaction. Fourth is detection of impurities. Some examples of the use of infrared spectroscopy. To illustrate the use of infrared spectroscopy in structural analysis, a few simple examples are given below.